What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Crypto Wealthy channel. In today's episode with the coffee, of course, we're going to be doing technical analysis on the Bitcoin price because it seems like that since we did yesterday's video, Bitcoin is not stopping with the dump, or let's say correction. So what we have over here, we're going to dive right into the technical analysis without bothering with introductions and everything. We're going to be doing just TA on this because whole market is actually following Bitcoin. And to answer the question, did I sell something? No, I actually holding still some of the Bitcoin, some of the altcoins. Everything is just in perfectly good order. The reason why we are making this video again is going to be a little bit more details, but it's for you who are a little bit scary if you are new in the space. So if you're whole new in the space, and as long as you are staying in the space longer and longer and longer, you're going to be resistant on this such a volatile movements in the Bitcoin price and altcoin prices and everything. I was also like that at the beginning, but I endured during that period. So right now it's just totally normal correction. So let's start from the 1 hourly chart first. I want to start from down, even so it's not right to start from the lower time frame. We're going to be doing we're going to see first what happened over here. As you can see, I need to exclude these moving averages, and as you can see, Bitcoin just turned to actually retest some of the level of supports this week over here. I was expecting or skeptical that this week over here this hammer that has been made is going to be retested again, and as you can see, it has been retested exactly on the levels that we put even before this dump. This level of support over here, 46.5 and $44.8 thousand per one Bitcoin. It seems like right now we are holding those levels. But this week over here has been retested, as you can see, 3 times in 3 hours, and it broke again. So over here right now we are retesting the next level that we put already a few days ago, even before this dump. As you can see, this level of support is totally legit. The reason why this level is legit is because Bitcoin managed to have some consolidation phase around and on this level, which means we build up the new level of support, and you should put those lines, those trend lines over here as the new level of support, and as you can see, Bitcoin respected them. The reason why I'm a little bit worried that we may see even 40% dump from the upside over here is because we discussed about wave 4 Elliott theory corrective wave, which could happen now, and some indication that to happen is that we need to have bearish divergences on 1 hourly, daily chart, and multiple time frames. And as you can see right now, we are having some of them over here on the 1 hourly chart. We can visit first. Now we can go to the next one, actually 4 hourly chart. The 4 hourly chart is also doing that over here on a little bit a little scale over here. So for now, 4 hourly and 1 hourly chart are having the bearish divergences. Switching to the 1 daily chart, you can see one big divergence that we discussed a few times about it over here. You can see in 8th January 2021 over here, and latest over here, while on the RSI we are seeing lower money pumping into the space over here. So yeah, this is pretty much good evidences that we may see 20% more if we are in the wave 4, at least between 30 or 45%. I would personally like to see such a correction, because I would most probably put one more salary into the crypto space for that correction, because after that we're most probably not going to see that levels for a long period of time. Now this is just a theory that we are going to see the next move to the downside because of it's wave 4, right? It's a little bit bigger correction to shake out weak hands. Weak hands are actually the people who enter the space right now, who do not understand the volatility of the Bitcoin and cryptocurrency space, so they are dumping, especially those one who bought maybe for $50,000, 51 to 3, and right now they are dumping because they are in a slightly losses. And right when they dump, right when the right hand see that, they're going to buy their bags, and we're going up most probably, and that could happen after the wave 4. So everything is connected and printed over here on the technical analysis. So that's one of the reasons why we are doing technical analysis. As you can see, volatility is pretty often over here on the Bitcoin, even to the upside. Over here we had a one candle of 20%, but right now we have another candle to the downside, 16%. Nothing to worry, nothing special. It's just a correction. When you put it on the weekly chart over here, you can see just one red candle beside many green ones. So this is normal. I was expecting this much earlier, not even now. Now, as you can see, the correction could go, if we measure that wave for over here, 33 to 40%, which is exactly on 1.618 Fibonacci level of retracement over here, and over here we have 1.272% of Fibonacci level support. And as you can see, that's the level that we actually build up support on, and this is the reason why I'm excluding $20,000 as the next level of support to be retested, because this level over here is getting much more sense to be retested before we see higher prices. Now, of course, Bitcoin could just jump from these levels that we are sitting on right now, but I'm not seeing any reversal patterns over here whatsoever, so this is the reason why I would still wait. We even here have some bearish divergences, as you can see, ladies and gentlemen, so this is the reason why I would still wait to see if we are in the wave 4. We may retest even 20 exponential moving average, even break it to the downside and retest over here these levels that I just told you, and after that we may see the higher prices. If we retest these prices over here, I'm going to buy more Bitcoin, more altcoins, and I'm going to see much bigger gains once we break this high over here in the wave 4 of Elliott theory. Now, the next level of supports should be also the simple moving averages on the 1 daily chart over here, and as you can see, the next 50 simple moving average is sitting on $40,000 approximately, which is also this high over here. The next target, if we close below 20 exponential daily moving average, I would sit on the $41,000 approximately, which is this level over here where even 50 simple moving average is sitting. We need to remember also that the Bitcoin is retesting 100 simple moving average into the bull market. Surprisingly, we didn't see that in this bull market, because over here we retested just 50 over here on these levels that I discussed with you about. But if we go back in the 2017 over here, we can go to the 1 daily chart, and what you can see, sorry about this, what you can see over here that the Bitcoin retraced towards 100 many times towards this gray one over here. You can see many retests towards 100 simple moving average. So yes, we may see the pullback. We may see the pullback towards the 100 also, but for now, I would the next target for me, if we break these levels over here that I just marked with these blue lines, the next level most probably where the Bitcoin will stop and rethink everything is going to be most probably $41,000 approximately. We may actually hold these levels because we have multiple supports on one certain level on that $41,000, because 50 is laying down there. We have the big trend line, those highs over here from the January, and I truly believe that Bitcoin may actually hold these levels. The reason why I thought that we may bounce back from yesterday over here is because this week over here was the next level of support and this 20 exponential moving average, and it was actually the good theory, but unfortunately the next candle broke 20 exponential moving average, and this theory over here is not valid anymore, or at least, ladies and gentlemen, if we close above 20 EMA today, or at least this week over here, we may see some retracement immediately from here. If not, we are going to most probably see continuation to the downside towards $40,000. This is my technical analysis, which is done on most simplest way. Don't complicate it too much, because there is nothing to be complicated too much about over here. There is just no need for that. If you switch to the 1 monthly chart, you can see that actually nothing special is happening over here. One of the reasons for that is it's just 1 week over here on the 1 green candle. All this stuff is happening all the time. This week was costing us 20% over here. Even dump on 1st March over here, you can see is 39% 1 week over here. The week on the peak of $1,000 in 2017 over here was costing us over here 29%. So all these weeks are on monthly chart, totally normal and usual, so I wouldn't be scared too much. Even the previous month in January we had a week that was holding 20%, so nothing special. We are still correcting, that's all I can tell you for right now. I told you the targets that you should watch, do not panic too much. There is no need to panic because Bitcoin is going to climb all the way to wave 5 Elliott theory, which means we should see higher prices than this most probably. I think this is it for today, ladies and gentlemen. Let me know in the comment section down below, are you panicking and why are you panicking? Are you doing technical analysis, watching our videos and other YouTube videos? Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you think about market? For me personally, this is also bullish because I can put much more money because I see the correction, which means after correction relief comes that we are going to continue rally to the upside. Till now I was a little bit scary when the correction will start. This was imminent. I think this is it for today, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. And until the next episode, happy trading and goodbye.